before I started my CBAP certification, I researched it online, and then like it's told me like you have to go to the BABOK. So I read all the BABOK by myself first time
Mhm.
back in like before I started my certification, like I think so 6 and 7 months ago. So I read the
Mhm.
BABOK, but BABOK is a very technical language. Even though I have like a lot of experience, but still it's a technical language. You need somebody to explain to you in a simple words, in a plain English. Then you can like to understand it better. So I then I know like if I'm going to that route, I it's gonna take me a lot of time because first I read the BBOG. It is a very technical. Then I have to understand. Then I have to read again and again and again. Then there are like as you said, there are too much information. The benefit of the internet is also the curse, disadvantage as well. There are too much information, so it's really hard to get the one platform which give you the all things, all the so first whenever I do the online research about the CBAP certification, so I came across a lot of Google articles where they mentions after reading the BBOK, go to the adaptive and solve their question banks. So question banks are really where the BBOK, sorry, adaptive came from. Then I saw like a lot of people's LinkedIn post as well. So everybody who came across you guys have 100% success ratio, and they have a very positive feedback. So then I got okay, this I can trust them. So I have to follow this track. So let's see. And the other thing is, which is really impressive of you guys, you take the guarantee as well. So it's not one time thing. So we are not gonna leave you if you are failed. So that's why, because if somebody is going to take the certification, there is always the element I can be failed. So when you take the responsibility, okay, failure is not the end of the world. If you fail, we still got your back. We will give you another chance. We give you third chance. We give you four. No worries. We will be stay with you until you get your certification. That's really like good point. So and the second attempt is also free. So you know if somebody is giving you the second attempt free, it's mean they know you will pass in the first attempt. That's the things which is really impressive of you guys. So say, okay, I'll select the adaptive CS and let's see. And then I'm really happy with the journey. So the adaptive CS, the journey with them, they are very structured. They have very good approach. You guys have a very good approach. The all the tutorials, and especially with you, I was in touch with you. You really helped me to understand those things and tutorials, and then the adaptive his own the thing I mentioned earlier, the
Question bank.
bebop. The bebop is really a big book. It's a like it's a very intensive. So if you are going to read the whole book, it's gonna take some time. It's too technical. Then I came across the adaptive own like copy of
Mhm.
bback, which is very
First study
in
mate.
single towns, and all the techniques and all the uh, what you can say it's different techniques to make the
Tasks and
easy people
techniques.
to yeah. So it's really helped me to understand all the I think so yeah, and the question bank as well. So after every chapter there are like the whole group of questions. When you solve those questions, it's challenge you. It's challenge you to understand the scenarios, and this is because of this. This is the open book exam, so it's really helped me to understand all those. So, and the last step is the simulations. Simulations always like because the 3 hours exam is I appear to this exam like first time, so 3 hours you have to sit straight, not just sit straight, you have to think again and again 3 hours. So when I doing the simulations, I pass all those simulation in the first try, so then I know okay, I'm good to go.